Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a delivery note in QuickBooks Online, step by step, in under 5 minutes. Now, here's the twist. QuickBooks doesn't have a built-in delivery note template, but don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to use the invoice feature to create one that looks and works perfectly. Let's dive in. Log in to QuickBooks Online. First, open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Click Sign In and log in using your business email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready to begin. Create a new invoice from your dashboard. Go to the left-hand menu and click the green New button. Then, under Customers, select Invoice. This will open the invoice creation window, the foundation of your delivery note. Next, select your customer from the drop-down list. If it's a new customer, click Add New and enter their details like name, email, and address. These details will automatically appear on your document. Under Product or Service, select the items that were delivered. If the items aren't listed yet, click Add New, enter the product name, description, quantity, and rate. QuickBooks will calculate the totals automatically, neat and error-free. Now, check the tax section and adjust it based on your local tax requirements. Then, in the message on statement or memo field, you can write delivery note, no payment required, or add any special delivery instructions or thank you notes for your customer before sending. Make sure all the details are accurate. Customer name, items, tax info, and your message. It's always best to double check before finalizing. Finally, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will email the document to your customer instantly. This invoice now doubles as a professional delivery note, confirming what's been sent and when. And that's it. You've just created a delivery note in QuickBooks Online in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more step-by-step QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.